guys, Ford mechanic here. Many F-150 owners complain coolant disappear in reservoir tank. They couldn't find any leak under the engine. And then I show you this common leaking turbocharger coolant tube pipe and connector. This one is right hand turbocharger return line, and then it's a little bit lost, and then coolant tube connector is leaking. Right hand return line is much easier, and both side left, right hand inside, you guys should remove the turbocharger. Look at that, it's a losting spot and a slightly tiny leaking. Also this coolant tube connector that is common leaking. You guys should check your turbocharger coolant feeding line. Thank you for watching.